quantity, water ratios. These are the key points when it comes to that delightful, fluffy plate of white rice that you're going to be serving over some meat stew or chicken stew. There's so many rice varieties out there, so if you want to get that perfect outcome, always buy your long grain basmati rice. Over here I have 2 cups of long grain basmati rice that I'm going to be using for this recipe to show you how I cook my rice. When you add in water to your rice, when you're washing, the water will turn out very cloudy, just like this. This is the excess starch in the rice, so it's really important for you to wash your rice for around 2 to 3 times until the water runs clear, so that you can get rid of the excess starch. If you don't wash your rice each time you cook, the starch in the rice is going to make the rice to turn out sticky each time. So make sure to wash your rice. After washing your rice, this is how your rice should be looking like, and mine is nice and clean. So the next step is to soak our rice for 20 minutes. So I'm going to add in enough water to submerge my rice, making sure all the grains are in the water, and then we are going to soak. The reason we are soaking the rice is so that it can puff up, so that you'll have that perfect outcome. Back to my rice after 20 minutes, and this is how my rice is looking like. So now I'm ready to make, or to show you how to make that perfect rice. So I'm going to drain off the water. When you have drained water from your rice, it's time to cook our rice. So every time you're cooking rice, you'll need a heavy bottomed pot to make your rice, because the rice will cook slowly and evenly, and the outcome is going to be perfect. So if you use a light bottomed pot, the rice is going to stick to the bottom and it's not going to cook evenly. So invest in a heavy bottomed pot for your rice recipes, and you'll be delighted how the rice will turn out. Now, over medium-high flame, I'm going to add in my rice to my pot. The rice right now is very delicate because you have soaked your rice. So be careful when transferring the rice. Next, you're going to add in some salt to fully season your rice. So I'm going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Carefully stir in the salt and cooking oil into the rice. Let the water come to a boil, and that is going to take around a minute. Don't stir your rice while cooking, because remember, you have soaked for 20 minutes, so the outcome won't be fluffy, perfect rice, but broken rice. Once the water has fully reduced such that you can't see water on top, you're going to reduce the flames to low. Cover. And then you're going to cook for 5 minutes. This is after 5 minutes. And using your spatula, you're going to scoop out your rice, and you'll notice that it is perfectly cooked. Just look at that. Wow. So there you go, guys. This is how I usually make my rice every single time, and it turns out amazing. So this will always be your to-go rice recipe every single time. Maybe you're cooking for your guests or for your family, and everyone will enjoy each and every single bite. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy rice recipe. So I'm going to cover my rice so that it stays warm, so that I can serve for my lunch.